Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone in RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to the settings and scroll down. Now click on sound and vibration. Now click on ringtone. And now you can select any ringtone from any files that you have saved in your gallery. Or otherwise you can use system ringtone, that is ringtones available in your phone. Similarly, you can set ringtone for message tone. Just select from files or select phone ringtones. And also you can set any other notification tones. This is also similar to what you have done for setting ringtone and message tone. Also you can turn off lock screen tone or tilepad tone or vibrate on touch, etc. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.